Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. So today we're diving deep into the world of business development. Specifically, we'll be exploring how to create a robust business development plan step by step. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a business development plan? Well, a business development plan, often referred to as a BD plan, is a strategic document that outlines your organization's growth objectives and the strategies to achieve them. Think of it as a roadmap for your business's future success. And now that we know what a BD plan is, let's delve into its first critical step: understanding your business. To create an effective plan, you must have a deep understanding of your organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This involves a comprehensive analysis of your current operations, financial standing, and market position. With a firm grasp of your business, it's time to set clear objectives. Now, these objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, often referred to as SMART goals. SMART goals provide a clear direction for your business development efforts. Now, to achieve those goals, you have to know who you're targeting. So you want to identify your target audience by considering factors such as demographics, behaviors, and preferences. Understanding your audience allows for more effective strategies and messaging. Now, a crucial step in crafting your BD plan is conducting what's called a SWOT analysis. Now, SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This analysis helps you identify internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as external opportunities and threats. It's a strategic tool to gain a holistic view of your business landscape. Now, with your insights from the SWOT analysis, it's time to formulate your strategies. These strategies should align with your objectives and be tailored to your target audience. They serve as the actionable next steps that will drive your business development efforts. Lastly, in the ever-changing business landscape, flexibility and adaptability are essential. Your BD plan should be dynamic, capable of adjusting to unforeseen challenges and capitalizing on emerging opportunities. Being flexible allows you to stay agile and responsive. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a robust business development plan. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content on business development and strategies for success.